I'm recording you because you're in love with your new crackle nails, aren't you? Let's see them. What color is this?
Purple and white.
So we have the white base with the purple
Crackle.
Purple crackle. Okay, let's do all the poses that you were doing. Come on. It's dark in here. The lights. My light won't work. My car's so old. There we go. That gives you a little more. Work it. Work your crackle. Hi. Do it. You are so goofy. Really? That's how you gonna work your nail polish? You so funny. What is that? I'm not sure what's going on here. Anyway, this is how Senia acts when she gets her nails done. That's all it takes.
Boom!
Okay, that was pretty cute.
Oh, what for what? Oh, goodbye, everybody. Get ready to see the next Senia episode. Goodbye.